All right, so we are ready for our final project. All right, so let's just jump right on in. So we're going to follow these instructions here. All right, so first we're going to merge and center A1 through D1. So we're going to merge and center. So we're going to highlight A1 through D1. We're in a home tab in our alignment group where it says merge and center. Go ahead and give that a click. We're going to increase the font size to 16. So right now we're in 11. And let's click on 16. All right, so A1 is still selected, so we're going to bold it and underline. Okay, so those are in the font group. All right, and so now it says select cells A2 through D2. All right, we're going to center them. So in our alignment group, we're going to click on center. All right, and then we're going to make it bold. So we're going to make them bold. All right, next it says select cells A3 through A11. Okay, and then we're going to left align them. So as you can see, 2001 is right aligned. We're going to move it to the left. So in alignment, click align left. Okay. All right. So now it says use Autosum to get the totals for columns C and D. So I want the total here and here. All right. So we're going to do Autosum. All right. So we're going to move on to where it says formulas. Click on Autosum. That's what we want. Enter. All right, same thing for column D, Autosum, enter. All right, so now it says insert a new row between rows 7 and 8. So I'm going to click on 8. We're going to click on insert. So I'm right clicking and I'm going to click on insert. Okay. All right, so it says fill in the row as follows. All right, so it says Raiders of the Lost Ark. Okay, next. 2, next, 13. So I'm tabbing over, so I'm pressing tab. Okay. All right, so 213 and 26. All right, so it says recalculate the auto sum for column C and D. All right. Okay. So it's gonna click Autosum again so it can update. All right. Just gonna click Autosum again so it can update. Okay. All right, so it says change the background color for the highest and lowest grossing titles. All right, and use different background colors. So we look over in revenue, we're looking for the highest and the lowest grossing title. All right, and let me see here. So I see Jaws has 14, so that has the lowest. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight that. Okay, and we're going to use a fill color. Okay, so we're going to change the background color. So we're going to go to home, and here, the fill color, let's change it to red. All right, and for the highest grossing title, we will use green. And so it looks like the highest grossing title is Star Wars. So I'm going to select, right, change the fill color to green. All right, it says add a background color to A13 through D13. All right, I'm going to change that. Let's do yellow. Okay, so select the ranges B3 through B12. All right, and we're going to apply the currency format and then change decimal to 2 points. All right, so let's go ahead and highlight B3, B13, excuse me, B3 through B12. All right, and we're going to apply the currency format. Okay, so in a number group over here, click on currency. All right, and change the decimal to 2 points. So we have 2 decimal points here. And just to show you, you can increase and decrease decimal here. So if I can decrease, okay, we want 2 decimal places. So increase decimal 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to add grid lines. So what I'm going to do is highlight everything. And over here in the font group where it says border, just going to change it to all borders. All right, and this, it should look like this. The only thing I haven't done was changed the fill color here. All right, so this is what your final project should look like.